Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Styles here, aka Keish, and once again, I'm your tour guide for today. If you've been watching the majority of the videos, you notice that I talk a lot about the xtreamfx Global Academy, and a lot of you are like, okay, well, what exactly is Forex? I'm loving all the videos. I'm loving what xtreamfx Global Academy has to offer, but I need to know a little bit about what exactly is Forex. So that's what I want to talk about today. So the foreign exchange market is short for, Forex. So people say FRX, and I say Forex. Simply what we're all saying is the foreign exchange market. And it is one of the most liquid financial markets in the world, okay? Think about that for a moment. It's one of the largest, most liquid financials market in the world. What does that mean for you? That means that there is lots of opportunity for you to take advantage of this market. And it does at least 7 trillion per day, including cryptocurrency. What does that mean? That means that it actually does more in a day than the stock market does. Okay, because a lot of people don't know that. They're like, okay, I know about the stock market, but the foreign exchange market, what is that? It is one of the most lucrative opportunities you become a part of. Okay, so most people don't become a part of Forex, and they say why? It could be because most of the world don't participate in it because they don't know that they can, and some people don't know how. So I want you to think about that for a moment. Have you not participated in the foreign exchange market because you didn't know that you could, or because you simply don't know how? A lot of people just don't know how and just never heard of it in the first place. So I'm glad that you're watching this video, because when it comes to the foreign exchange market, think of it as it's foreign exchange. So foreign exchange deals with currencies, okay? So in the stock market, it deals with stocks. It fluctuates, go up and down. What you're doing with the foreign exchange market, we're dealing with more than US dollars. We're dealing with currencies from all around the world, and we even deal with cryptocurrency. So what's powerful about the cryptocurrency on the Forex side is that when everybody's freaking out about the cryptocurrency dropping, on the foreign exchange side, we're able to leverage that because we can invest in the crypto as little as 10 cents. Then anytime it drops, we can leverage that as well. Because with the foreign exchange market, you leverage whether it's going up or going down. So now that really puts no cap on how much income you can actually learn here. No income claims, of course, but it's just very lucrative. So if you haven't gotten involved in the foreign exchange market, now is the time. And remember my previous video, I spoke about the importance of having the right community, having the right educational platform. That's why we speak a lot about the xtreamfx Global Academy, because it provides every single thing that you need to get started in the Forex market. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. It does not matter. The xtreamfx Global Academy will definitely get you on the right track. Now, a lot of people thinking, okay, it must be difficult to invest in the Forex market. It's not. You know why? There are no special requirements. You don't have to be went to school, not went to school, education, not education, in jail, not in jail. It does not matter your background. There are no special requirements. You must have, though, if you don't have a computer, you must have at least a phone and Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you don't have your personal Wi-Fi, as long as you can get to some Wi-Fi, you got you covered. Okay, another thing is that you can trade daily in the foreign exchange market. So when the stock exchange stops at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Eastern time, the foreign exchange market deals with currencies from around the world, so it continues to go. So that's 7 days per week. And plus, like I said before, you can profit whether it's on the rise or the fall of the market, which makes it pretty much recession proof. Okay, so I just wanted to briefly go over some benefits about trading the Forex market and kind of explain to what the foreign exchange market is. Now, if you want more details on this, and of course a more detailed class, definitely let me know, or let the person know who invited you to this particular video, and we will get you started. Okay, also below this video, you're going to find my phone number. Feel free to text or email me and set up your one-on-one consultation so I can walk you through how to get started in the foreign exchange market. So thank you so much for watching once again. And this has been Makisha Styles, aka Keish, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video.